वो देखकर हैरान रह गए।
They were astonished at the sight. They were astonished at the sight.
वेटर ने आहिस्ता से खाना नीचे रखा।
The waiter set down the food gently. The waiter set down the food gently.
आप जल्द ही इस अमल के आदी हो जाएंगे।
You will soon get accustomed to the process. You will soon get accustomed to the process.
बच्चों ने जो गाना पेश करना था इसे याद कर लिया था।
The children had memorized the song they were to present. The children had memorized the song they were to present.
उसके वालिद को मीटिंग से खारिज कर दिया गया था।
Her father was dismissed from the meeting. Her father was dismissed from the meeting.
स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल हैरानी से खड़ी रही।
The school's principal stood still in surprise. The school's principal stood still in surprise.
उनके खानदानी डॉक्टर ने उसे ज़ियाबीतस की तशख़ीस की।
Their family doctor diagnosed her with diabetes. Their family doctor diagnosed her with diabetes.
इन्होंने सामीन के सामने बड़े एतमाद से गाया।
He sang confidently before the audience. He sang confidently before the audience.
मैंने डरते डरते सांस रोक ली।
I held my breath in fear. I held my breath in fear.
जज ने इसका केस मुलतवी कर दिया।
The judge postponed her case. The judge postponed her case.